How to make a website on Kimi app for free. So here we teach you how to make a website on Kimi app for free. So here at the Kimi app. So what is Kimi app website builder? So AI power generation. So transfer simple prompts into fully functional multi-page website with responsive design that work on any device. Agent module technology generate complete site structure, compelling copy, and clean code automatically using intelligent AI assistance and no coding solution perfect for landing pages, portfolios, and product sites. Create professional web presence without technical skills. So step 1, get started with Kimi app. Download the app. Get the free Kimi app from iOS App Store or Google Play or visit kimi.com/website. Create your account. After creating your account, meet Kimi K2.5. Access the powerful assistant integrated for website creation and visual coding support. So build your website for free. Describe your vision. Tell Kimi what you need or upload design reference, screenshot, or mock-ups to guide the AI. Generate and refine. Watch Kimi create a draft site with navigation section and SEO-friendly copy and sections. So, guys, if you want to know how to change the mode or the model at the Kimi AI, you can watch here on how to rock it, on how to change your Kimi AI module. So yeah, there you go. I suggest you can watch that, guys, there. So now, customize easily. Use the visual editor to tweak layouts, text, and image without touching code. Publish instantly. Preview your site and go live with free hosting included, no additional cost. Ready to launch your website? Fast and professional. Kimi accelerates building responsive professional sites with polished design that improves visitors. Truly free, unlimited hosting and bandwidth at no cost. No hidden fees or premium upsells to worry about. So start today. Visit KimiA.com website and or download the app on iOS or Google Play Store if you're using Android. There you go, guys. Hope you guys agree. We should join. If you have a question, concerns, stop below, comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. So there you go, guys, and thank you, guys.